Hi, my name is Sage and you're watching my coffee video. In this video, we're gonna brew some coffee. But before we do anything else, we're gonna clean the kitchen. I already cleaned it, so we're ready to go. All right. So here we are on my coffee corner. Okay, so everything is already set up. And for anything else, here are the things. All right, so the water is maxed out. It's all the way to 12. And then got some measuring cups. I got the 1 cup over here, the biggest one. And then the coffee that I have is Yuba, medium. All right, so when I get the coffee, I get it to full. Oops, kind of spilled some of there. And then I move it side to side to have it flat. Put it in the Mr. Coffee. Turn on, set it right there. Okay, so in this video, I have the measuring cup. Like this. You don't have to use a measuring cup, you can just use a spoon. But you know, the measuring cup, you know, gets that same amount of coffee every time. If you have the measuring cup, if you want a light brew, go for half a cup. And then if you want a medium brew, go for 3/4 of a cup. And then if you want a strong brew, you want to go for 1. All right, so I'm just gonna put this away. So it's always good to have the kitchen clean when making coffee, especially after breakfast. That way you don't have to worry about doing, cleaning later on today when you're most likely busy, plus you can, focus more on what you're doing. All right, so I'll see you when the coffee is ready. All right, see you in a bit. Okay, so the coffee's ready. So I got the milk too. So what I do for the coffee in this brew is same thing as before. Actually, since this is the first cup, we're gonna do 7 out of 10 on the cup, and then put milk on the 3. I'm gonna put 1 spoon of sugar. Actually, let's make it 2 tablespoons because 1 spoon of sugar, you know, it's almost like, you know, you didn't put any. So 2, there's sugar in it. All right, so let's give it a taste. It's not too sweet, but it's not too strong too. I like it just it is. Sometimes I brew my coffee way too strong that, you know, it's like, the coffee is a little bit thicker than it seems. And then, you know, there's like, you know, I was like I'm drinking ash, you know, like burnt coffee in the coffee. So that's the coffee. So this is the coffee that we made. I mean, I like it. If you want more sugar in your coffee, put more. But for me, I think this is fine. All right. So for this brew, 1 cup of coffee bean, medium, on a Mr. Coffee. And then water is at 12 maxed. And then when I pour it in the cup, the coffee cup, there's different sizes, but you know, you can just eye it. What I did is that 7/10 of the cup is coffee, and then the 3 is milk, and then 2 scoops of sugar. 2 tablespoons, 2 teaspoons of sugar. So that's probably like 1 tablespoon of sugar. All right, so my name is Sage, and this is Brewing Coffee. All right, bye.